Good morning, students. Today we'll now learn something more about scalar multiplication of matrices. Okay, already we have discussed in previous videos about addition and subtraction of matrices, and now we'll see that how can we able to implement those operations in a scalar multiplication also. First of all, what we have to do in a scalar multiplication, for example, if you are provided with some matrix A whose values are given as 5, 6, 4, minus 1, minus 2 and 7, and you have to find out the value of 3A or 1 by 2A, then how can you find out? Let's see it. 3A, that means you have to multiply the values with 3. That means 3 multiplied by this complete matrix A. This means that what you have to do here, you have to just multiply each and every element with 3. That means 3 into 5, 3 into 4, 3 multiplied by minus 2, 3 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by minus 1 and 3 multiplied by 7. Okay, now you have to write down the product here, that is 15, 18, 12, minus 3, minus 6 and 21. This is all about 3a. So 3a value is right in front of you. Okay, now again, if you have to find out value of 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a, that means you have to multiply each and every element of a with 1 by 2. We are provided with matrix A whose values are already given and defined in the question. Now to find out value of 1 by 2a, that means you have to multiply each and every element with 1 by 2. So you can see here that I am just multiplying each and every element with 1 by 2. Okay, that's how you have to do with any question. Now you get the value like 5 by 2, and here you can see that it can be cancelled out. So 2 will be there. Here 2 also gets cancelled out. So minus 1 will be there. Here we can cancel it and 3 will be there. And here minus 1 by 2 and 7 by 2. Okay. So the result in front of you, that if we perform scalar multiplication, then the simple thing is that you have to just multiply each and every element with that scalar number. Okay, and then perform multiplication as you usually do in case of any number, and you will get the result. Okay, now we'll see some kind of application of scalar multiplication in different kinds of questions. For example, if you are provided with some two matrices here like A and B as defined here, and now we have to find out 4a minus 3b. Now we can see here that we have to do a scalar multiplication also and then perform subtraction also. Okay, so first step is to solve this. In this solution, what you have to do, you have to just find out 4a. 4a means 4 gets multiplied with each and every element of matrix A. Okay, and then you will get like this: 4 into 3, 4 multiplied by 5, 4 multiplied by 7 and 4 multiplied by minus 9. Okay, I think it must be visible to you now. And then it will be 12, 20, 28 and minus 36. So this is the value of 4a. Okay, now moving ahead, if we have to find out the value of 3b. Okay, but here it is written that minus 3b. So it's better to find out the value of minus 3b. So minus 3b, that means we have to multiply with minus 3. Okay, which matrix? B matrix. So we'll write down all the values of matrix B here. Okay, and then where each element will get multiplied with minus 3. That's how you have to do the multiplication here. Okay, and finally we'll get the result, that is minus 18. This will become plus 12, minus 6 and then minus 9. This is the value of minus 3b. I am sure about that. You are getting my point. Now, finally, we have to find out 4a minus 3b. Okay, so you have to write down 4a minus 3b. Now, in place of 4a, you have to put this value, what we have find out. That is 12, 28, 20 and minus 36. And then put the plus sign there because minus 3b we have already find out. Okay, so we have put there plus sign, and then in place of minus 3b we put the values of minus 3b like this. And then you have to do the matrix addition here, and in matrix addition we know that we have to add the corresponding elements of the given matrices. So you have to add them together here. And finally you'll get the result by the algebraic sum, that is minus 6, 22, 32 and finally minus 45. Okay, I'm just repeating you once again this, that in this process what you are provided with some values of a and b, and now you have to find out the value of 4a minus 3b. So first find out the value of 4a and then find out the value of minus 3b. Okay, then for finding out value of 4a we have to multiply each and every element of a with 4 to get the result, and then in case for minus 3b you have to multiply each and every element of matrix b with minus 3, then you will get the result. And then you have to perform the operation of minus 4a minus 3b. That means you have to put the values of minus 4a and then put the values of minus 3b and then add them together to find the values by performing the matrix addition here. I think now you can able to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and different operations based on matrices. And if you find any kind of doubt in understanding or anything, you can write down in the comment box. Okay, it will be shorted very shortly. And if you really like this video, then please click the like button and please like, share and subscribe my channel so that more and more students will get benefited with it. Thank you so much for watching this video.